Welcome to our channel, Journey to Bliss, your go-to destination for travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on a mesmerizing journey to the royal city of Mysore, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture. If you're planning a trip to South India, Mysore should definitely be on your list. So, let's dive right into this Mysore tourism guide. Mysore Palace. The iconic Mysore Palace, also known as the Amba Vilas Palace. This architectural marvel is a perfect blend of Indo-Saracenic, Rajput, and Gothic styles. Don't miss the grandeur of the palace illuminated during the Dasara festival. Chamundi Hill. It's not just a pilgrimage spot but also offers a panoramic view of Mysore. The Chamundeshwari temple, perched atop the hill, is a sacred place for locals and visitors alike. Brindavan Gardens. Mysore is famous for its Brindavan Gardens, a symphony of colors and music. These terraced gardens are a perfect spot for an evening stroll or a boat ride on the musical fountain. The beauty here is beyond words. St. Philomena's Church. For those interested in history and architecture, St. Philomena's Church is a must-visit. It's one of the largest churches in India and showcases stunning neo-Gothic architecture. Mysore Zoo. If you are traveling with family, the Mysore Zoo is a great place to explore. It's home to a wide variety of animals and birds, making it a fantastic experience for wildlife enthusiasts. Local cuisine. Now, let's talk about food. Mysore is famous for its delectable South Indian cuisine. Don't forget to savor the famous Mysore masala dosa, filter coffee, and traditional sweets like Mysore pak. Art and craft. If you're into art and craft, visit the government silk weaving factory and the sandalwood oil factory. Mysore is known for its silk saris and sandalwood products. Local markets. Bargain hunters, you'll love the Devaraja market. It's the perfect place to shop for souvenirs, spices, and traditional items. So, there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Mysore. This city has so much to offer: history, culture, nature, and mouth-watering food. Whether you are a history buff, nature lover, or just seeking a serene getaway, Mysore has something for everyone. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures like this one. Until next time, keep exploring.